Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. Today I am back in my closet. I feel like I've been filming a lot in my office and I'm just gonna round up my favorite lifestyle products recently with you guys. I am trying to get better about sharing things that I'm like purchasing more on a regular basis so you're not having to wait until the very end of the month to see things that I'm loving. And y'all, I've got some good stuff. I've got some wellness stuff, I've got some like hair products, I've got some skin products, some accessories, so lots of really good things. Everything that I'm talking about is going to be linked in the description bar below for you guys to shop. So make sure that you check down in the description bar below for links to everything along with like makeup details, outfit details, like necklace. This will be linked down there. Just literally everything is going to be down in the description bar. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I would love to have you guys join the YouTube fam, and I want to take a second and just say thank you so much for 40K. I'm so grateful for you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as always, I'm going to do them by like category, so you can check out the chapters or like the timestamps in the description bar, or you can like hover over the time bar on the actual screen if you are looking for one particular category. But I'm going to start out, I guess, with the smallest category, and that is, I guess I would go with like health and wellness. So this is the Amazing Grass Green Superfood Green Powder. It's for basically a green drink. It's aggressively disgusting. Like, terrible. But I will actually link in the description bar for you guys my smoothie recipe that I just started making this past week. It is so delicious, and it has one full scoop of this stuff in it and you cannot taste it. Honestly, if it didn't turn the smoothie green, you wouldn't even know that there was any green powder in there. I genuinely, like, the smell of this is just gross. But it's really good for you because one of my New Year's resolutions was to eat more greens, to add more greens to my diet. And so this is like, ugh, it's rough, but like someone in the review section said, if I wanted something sweet and delicious, I would eat a cookie. This is for your health, and so I added it to my smoothie. It's really good. I'm gonna link the smoothie recipe for you guys in the description bar along with this stuff. But if you're looking to add some greens to your diet in 2021, I very much so recommend this. Just find a good recipe that masks the taste. Okay, so if you guys follow me on my vlog channel or even on my Instagram, you have probably seen that I am trying to move more into a like clean, non-toxic, BPA-free kind of lifestyle. It's not easy. It's a lot easier said than done, and it's one of those things like if you really truly go down the rabbit hole and look at everything in your house that's like really bad for you, it's just, you would literally get rid of everything. So I've very slowly started to replace things in my house, and one of the things that I read that can be really bad for you are things with fragrances in them. I try and stick pretty fragrance free for most of like my skincare and stuff, but I didn't realize like that also includes candles. So I've been looking for really good candles that were a little bit more healthy. Fragrance in and of itself isn't the best for you, but I actually found a scented soy candle from Mrs. Meyer's. So Mrs. Meyer's has amazing scents. Literally every single one of the Mrs. Meyer's products like I just love, but this candle, I got it off of Grove Collaborative. I will put a link in the description bar below to Grove Collaborative. You can get all kinds of like really healthy products and stuff there, not food, but like home products. And there I got this candle and it smells so good. And it's actually one of the only candles that I have found that doesn't like burn for a little while, have a very mild scent to it, and then it just is burning and there's no scent. Like the scent just dissipates. This is one of the only candles that doesn't do that. So this is something I keep by my bed, and every night for like 20 to 30 minutes while I'm kind of winding down at night, I will just have this going, and it smells so heavenly. So I've been loving this. And then honestly, I don't really know where this fits in, but I have talked about this bottle so much on my Instagram stories. You guys are probably sick of hearing about it if you come from there. So this glass bottle is I believe it's like a 32-ounce water bottle that I got off of Amazon. I wanted to change everything in my house from plastic to glass, and I did find a BPA-free water bottle that I really liked from Amazon, but it was not dishwasher safe. And something that being dishwasher safe, generally what I've read, the average answer is if it says it's BPA free but it's not dishwasher safe, that actually means that it does have BPA in it, but it's gonna be like activated if you stick it in the dishwasher. So I was like, yeah, I'm rather just gonna go with a glass water bottle. So I do still like the other water bottle. I think it's really great. I do like that it's BPA free, but the fact that you can't stick it in the dishwasher kind of annoys me. So I have been using this glass one that has this little like silicone thing on it, and this is glow in the dark. I didn't realize it when I got it. I literally got the water bottle in, and every night now I look at my little glow-in-the-dark water bottle like a 12-year-old on my bedside table. But if you are trying to drink more water in 2021 like I am, then this is great for that. Definitely carrying around a water bottle helps me so much with my water intake, so definitely recommend it, and check this out if you are looking for that. This is actually all the water I have left today to hit my water intake goal, so killing it. Okay, so now I have one accessory that I've really just been loving lately, and it is these sunnies. These are from Amazon. They are so chic. I see these all over my Instagram. I feel like Amazon is just like the place for glasses. Like if you want a good pair of really affordable glasses that are gonna last you for so long, like I will have Amazon glasses for years. Like years and years and years. I will pay $60 for a pair of glasses and then they will break in like a couple weeks. So I just honestly love Amazon glasses. I actually made a full blog post on my top 5 favorite sunnies, ranging from like Amazon to luxury brands. I'll link that in the description bar below for you guys, but these sunglasses have just been on repeat. I like that they have a little bit of a like stud detail right there on the side and it's not on the front because I don't know, I think it just makes them very chic and sleek. These are the only accessory that I have really been loving lately. I am all about my Amazon sunnies. Okay, so now I'm in more to like the skincare, hair care favorite, so I'll separate the stuff into hair care first. And one thing I am loving, I actually talked about this in my beauty video that I posted I think last week. This is the Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. It is paraben free, and you guys, like use a heat protectant. I cannot believe how many people messaged me after that video, whether it was on Instagram or YouTube, and they were like, oh, I need to get that heat protectant. I don't use a heat protectant. And I'm like, you guys, like if you want healthy hair, tip number 1 of mine is to use a heat protectant. It's very important. It does protect your hair. You can even do a little test. So if you take your hand and you blow it with a blow dryer, you will feel heat on your hand. If you blow it with a heat protectant spray and then you blow it again with that blow dryer, you are going to notice a significantly cooler feel to your hand. So there are a bunch of different ways to like test heat protectants, but you need to be using one. This one smells amazing. It's paraben free, and honestly it's one of the only ones that I can use that I can spray on my dry hair and it doesn't make it look any greasier. So there are a couple that I really like, but you have to spray them on wet hair, which means you have to basically wash your hair, spray it with a thermal protection spray, and then dry it. And I'm someone who likes to go to bed with my hair wet sometimes, so this one is really great if you like to go to bed with your hair wet and then wake up and then style it. Use this. I am absolutely speechless about this product. So up until today, I would have told you that Living Proof dry shampoo is without a doubt my favorite dry shampoo. I love it. I think it's the best. You guys, I have used the Way Super Dry Shampoo one time. This is day 4 hair, and I've only had to use it once. So with the Living Proof, I'm still having to use it every single night. That's kind of the trick on how to get dry shampoo to work. So you wake up in the morning, wash, dry, blow dry your hair, you know, do all the things, wear your hair all day, let your hair stay styled all day long without any dry shampoo in it. Right before you go to bed, put dry shampoo in it. That way it's going to really absorb all of the oils that then come throughout the night and make your hair kind of look a little bit dirty. So people think you're supposed to spray dry shampoo in your hair in the morning. It actually works better if you spray it at night, but I was still having to do it every single night. I've had to do it once since using the Way Super Dry Shampoo. So I have been absolutely shocked. I don't know if it's because Jen Atkin is the like creator or owner of this brand, but like I'm a Way fan for life now. Like just it took its place, and I like this more than Living Proof. I can't believe I'm even saying those words, because I would have fought like tooth and nail saying Living Proof is the best dry shampoo out there, and I just think it's that one. Another one I'm loving is the Way Volume Spray. Okay, so this is day 4 hair. I actually really like made my look very sleek back today because I was going to wear it in a hat, and so I just like kind of blew it straight. Ended up not working out. But when I used this the other day, I washed my hair, put this in it, and then dried it with the Dyson, and you guys, I swear, my hair was like this. Like it was so high, I was like, oh, I literally don't know what to do. And like, it was the most voluminous my hair has ever been, and the Dyson really does help make my hair, like my hair's never been as volumized as it is with the Dyson, but something about adding this to my roots just made such a difference. I sprayed it in my wet hair, and then I like went through and like almost scrunched at my roots, and it was just like crazy volume. Okay, so now I'm into the regular skincare, and I will start out by saying this has been a shocker. So this looks very uneventful to you guys. This is the Dr. Bronner's, I'll put the full like name on the screen, But you guys told me about Dr. Bronner's for like toothpaste, body wash, and I bought this body wash on Amazon. It came in, I think it's like 14 bucks. It is a massive bottle, and basically everything I've read says dilute it when you are using it. So you can use this as like face wash, you can use it in your hair, which I don't recommend. You can use it on your dog, you can use it in your laundry, you can use it in your dishwasher. It is like the best all-purpose soap that's actually really good for you. It rates 0 on the Think Dirty app, which means it is very, very clean, free of toxins, anything like that. So I actually have this in like different pumps all over my house. I have it as hand wash at some places. I actually have it in this bottle because I like using this also in the mornings as my face wash. So I have found the older I get, the more I like to kind of change up my face wash, especially in the morning, because I think it does make a difference. So I use this in the morning to wash my face, and it is amazing. Like, super good for my skin. I have very sensitive skin, and my skin has just been very clear and happy. The oil has been to a minimum lately, so y'all, this is like got a lot of purposes. You can use for hand soap, anything, body wash, but I've been very impressed. And I did get this little pump from Amazon, and I did not actually dilute it when I put it in here because the dilution is a little bit different for ingredients, so I wanted to like have options. So I poured it in here, and then basically when I'm using it as body wash, I will just soak a washcloth completely, and then I will like pump just like half to like 1 full pump on the washcloth, and that does my whole body. I smell heavenly for the whole day, and just I could talk about it for hours and hours, but this body wash is really good. So if you're looking to get rid of like one thing in your life that is a little bit more toxic, get rid of your body wash and use this. Or like even your soap, just like look up what's in your soap. It's like, it's so painful. I've gone down so many rabbit holes. Another one that I've been loving, now this is just a face wash. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser by Youth to the People. This is from the Clean at Sephora line, and if you guys know, if you've seen any of my skincare stuff, you know that for the last probably like 6 to 7 years, Cetaphil has been my face wash every day. I use it with my Clarisonic every day. And it's one of those like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of things. So when I discovered how terrible Cetaphil is for my skin, it has a lot of very harsh chemicals in it. I was really nervous about changing it out for a different one. But again, like I don't believe in coincidences, and my skin has been the best it's ever looked. Very even. My rosacea is very, very calm. I don't even have like little breakouts on the side of my face like I usually get. And actually during my time of the month, I always get hormonal breakouts like right here. Never fails. Haven't had them this month, and this is one of the main things I've changed. So I'm just saying, I mean, usually when you fight hormones, you lose, but I don't have a single hormonal breakout. This has been amazing. Something else that I have tried, and I like kick myself for not trying it sooner. So I hear a lot of great things about the Drunk Elephant skincare line, but it is without a doubt one of the most expensive skincare lines that I have seen and like want to try. I mean, all Drunk Elephant products are just, they are up there, but this is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. It is a super hydrating moisturizer to put on your face. It says you can use it morning and night. I have done both, and honestly, it hasn't ever messed up my makeup, but it feels so good on my skin at night. This is amazing. So anything that has the word peptide in it, I have found my skin responds very well to. So super peptide serum from Moriah Robinson, my skin eats that stuff. It just loves it. This is a polypeptide cream. I, again, don't believe in coincidences. This has made my skin so even. And even more than that, I've noticed that I can like feel it when I put it on my skin. Like I just notice it seeps into my skin really fast. It doesn't feel like it sits on the surface of my skin. Like I can just feel it being absorbed really, really quickly. So this is a lot more expensive than some other moisturizers out there, but if you have troubled skin, y'all, it is good. And then the last two are self-tanning products. So Isle of Paradise is also labeled clean at Sephora, so I was really excited to try this out because I enjoy self-tanning. I didn't do it like at all last year because we were on lockdown, like pretty much all summer, even though we kind of weren't. You were like, you know, you didn't really want to go anywhere because it was like, you didn't know. So I didn't really self-tan. It's been a long time. I wanted to get back into it, and I was like, you know what? I need to be using something that's clean. And this stuff is highly rated across like the board from everyone that I see. Everyone talks about the Isle of Paradise spray, the drops, and it being on the Clean at Sephora list. I was very quick to buy it, and I love it. So this is the Isle of Paradise Express Ultra Dark Self-Tanning Mousse. So it's a mousse. You put it on for 2, 3, 4 hours, however dark you want to be. Wash it off. You are instantly this gorgeous golden bronze color. It's not orange, it's not cakey, and it doesn't smell bad. Their brand is is vegan friendly, cruelty free, and organic. And it was very easy to use, just like any other self-tanning mousse out there. And then this is the Isle of Paradise Dark Self-Tanning Water with color correcting activities. Now, my fault totally. My hands were completely orange from using this. So whenever you self-tan, and I do have a self-tanning video I believe that I got up last summer maybe, or like last spring, but when you use self-tanner on your hands, whether it be mousse, whether it be this self-tanning water, you're supposed to like put it on your hands, use a brush, make sure it's even, wait about 10 minutes, and then I will put lotion on after. That is like my foolproof way of getting streak-free hands. Because it had been a year, I completely forgot. I sprayed this on my hands and just went about my business. And I literally woke up the next day with like orange knuckles, and then the tips of my fingers were like white. Y'all, it was bad. It was really bad, but that was totally my fault. So, I'm actually going to use this tomorrow, so I'm going to like shave and exfoliate everything off tonight, put moisturizer on, like let that seep into my skin, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up self-tan for a couple of hours, and then that tan will last me about a week. I really have enjoyed this product. I've been very impressed with how it performs, and again, I love that it is on the Clean at Sephora list because that means it's like paraben free, I think it's sulfate free. They have a long list of like what they have to, what has to basically be excluded from a product in order to be on the Clean at Sephora list. So if you are interested in checking that out, I highly recommend it, but I'm gonna link these for you guys below. I 10 out of 10 recommend them if you are looking for a self-tanner that like gives this gorgeous bronzy glow, and it's quick. Alright guys, and that is it for tonight's video. I feel like I talked a lot in this one. I'm talking fast because I had a cup of afternoon coffee, which I really shouldn't have done, but I needed it. And so I talked really fast and a lot. So sorry, but not sorry, because I mean, you guys get it. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.